everyone, it's Couponing with D, and I am back with another video. As you can see, I have my insert already for tomorrow. It is one insert, SmartSource, two different versions. I'm gonna go through both of them, and it's gonna be just like probably maybe 4 or 5 different coupons. I'm not at my normal filming section because my daughter is headed off, moving into her apartment over on campus, and I don't want to film over there in that mess of a hurricane that she has. So let's get started. We have Cetaphil coupons, $2 off one Cetaphil product, excludes 4 ounce or less. Daily facial cleanser, gentle skin cleanser, moisturizing lotion, moisturizing cream, and single bars. We have a $3 off one Cetaphil Gentle Clear Healthy Radiance Healing Ointment, Cracked Skin Repair Balm or Lotion, Daily Smoothing Moisturizer, or Advanced Relief Cream product. Excuse the lighting and the shadows. Next, we have 5 off of 2 Cetaphil products. So as you can see, the both pages are the same. So let's do this. This is the second page. We have Atkins coupons and $1 off one product for frozen entree and $1 off one bar, treats, cookies, or shake multi-packs. Over here we have Windex coupons, $1 off 2. We have Scrub and Bubbles, 50 cents off one. It's been a while since I've seen those. Over here we're gonna start with the Smarty Pants, $3 off one for the kids, teens, toddlers, or babies, and $3 off one the adults. Over here, $1 off of 6 or more rolls of Cottonelle, excuse me. Vitamins over here, Irwin's Naturals, $3 off any one. Next page, as you can see, that's the first, that's the second. So over here, $1 off one Kavita bottle. Over here, we have vitamin coupons. It is that season, so those are Narivias, Airborne, Mega Reds, Mold Free, Digestive Advance. That's the first version. Allegra. And the second version. Here's some Nasacort. We got Icy Hot, $2 off one. And we got some Aspercreme over here. Back up to the first version. Over here we have some Renew contact solution. We have the Breathe Right. That's the same coupon we just saw. This is the big coupons that we have. Get a little closer for you. $4 off one. Second version has ACT on the following page. Uniform, Capsaicin, some Docalex, Zantac. This is the other difference. Ritz. 75 cents off 2. That's version 1. $1.50 off Gold Bond powder, foot care, first aid. Cortisone 10. Selsun Blue. Advertising. So here, we've already seen these, they're the same coupon. And here, we've already seen those. And then on the next page, these are the same. So we have the $2 off one CoverGirl face product, eye product, and $3 off one CoverGirl Clean and Beauty skincare product. I chose to do it this way because there's not much of a difference, although they are repetitive. We've seen these already. That's version 1 and version 2. We've already seen those as well. $5 off any one Zantac. You've seen this. It's all this. And this was the next difference. 50 cents on one. $1 on one. And now, the first version, this is the same thing, which is the Bio True coupon. 6 off 1. 3 off 1. 3 off 1. 6 off 1. And over here, quick savings already. And then the back page is Dollar General. That is all I have for you this week. I have been very busy, so I haven't been putting up videos like I should, but this is the new year, so we'll see how it goes. Normally it starts off hectic and then it slows down for me a little bit and then back to normal. All right, so again, we only had one insert. I had 2 versions of it. Let's get out there and let's start couponing. Let's get those deals. I gotta go today and I'm going to Walmart and CVS. So we'll see how those 2 places go. CVS, I went to like 4 or 5 different CVS's. They did not have what I needed all in one store. And then some stores had it, some stores didn't, so it wasn't gonna make sense. Anyways, that's all I have. Enough of my rambling, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.